The Alibaba IPO is finally a go. After much anticipation, China's largest e-commerce company filed for a $1 billion initial public offering. Analysts expect an eventual valuation of as much as $160 billion. It's leaving its options open when it comes to where it's going to list, the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. But IPO Financial's David Menlo says there's no contest.
If I were a betting man, I would put my money on the New York. This is going to be a massive offering. It's going to make Facebook look like an also-ran as far as what they went through. There will be many people doing many different kinds of trades from all over the world. And let's face it, New York seems to have the recognition that they are the exchange of last resort and where a company like this will be going.
Alibaba's businesses include Taobao, a marketplace for small businesses. It makes money by charging vendors to advertise. Tmall.com, an online storefront for brand name companies, and Alipay. While not part of the offering, it controls almost half of China's online payment market.
This is not the 800-pound gorilla in the room. This is the 800-ton, and maybe since it's a foreign stock, we should make that metric ton. This is an enormous offering. This is one-off, as you suggested. We do not see that it is going to revitalize the market. But an interesting thing is this company is so involved and has so many facets of the commerce market within China, it's almost as if they are their own ETF because they cover virtually every phase of that particular market.
Alibaba already accounts for about 80% of all online shopping by individual consumers in China, which iResearch expects to reach $394 billion this year. But there are risks, including changes in political and economic policies of the Chinese government. And there are uncertainties regarding the interpretation of Chinese laws, and the way the company is structured could limit shareholder influence. So far, investors are interested, including Morris Mark of Mark Asset Management.
We've had one opportunity so far to meet with the management of Alibaba at a conference. Very impressive. We've read a lot about it. This goes back years. That was an important factor in our decision to look at the other two companies and to stay with them. So, love the business model, highly creative, and this is a business that can spread eventually around the world. I think their model is a direct threat to Amazon.
Current investors include SoftBank and Yahoo, both with substantial stakes, along with insiders Jack Ma and Joe Tsai. Yahoo has to sell about 40% of its stake or sell it to Alibaba directly before the IPO. What Yahoo will do with the sudden cash infusion is still unclear. But expect the stock to get a warm welcome. Kathleen Smith of Renaissance Capital.
This is a company that so many investment managers are going to look at. Indexes are going to put them in. I expect the S&P 500 won't ignore this. It finally added Facebook. I'm sure that Alibaba will be a candidate too. So it will be held by all kinds of portfolios. So I think that kind of distribution of this IPO is going to be very favorable for it.
No information on the timing of this deal, but when it does land on U.S. shores, Alibaba will be the largest Chinese company to list on a U.S. exchange.